Now after reasoning, the next content we were having, it was motivation. Now basically motivation means what? Example for the proof of mathematical induction. So we are having next topic, that is motivation or proof by mathematical induction, where we have to follow it, and this we are going with an example. Now in the example what we have seen, you can just read it. It is written that mathematical induction can be informally illustrated by reference to the sequential effects of falling dominoes. Now you have seen in many films, in many pictures, we have seen what we have seen, that if a hero or a villain, whosoever it is, if he is pushing a bicycles, all the bicycles are in a bicycle stand, he is only pushing one of the cycle and all are falling, and one bicycle that also falls when he is pushing only the first one. Now the thing is that, is he possible, suppose there are total 100 bicycles are there, 100th bicycle has been fall, who is the person, what is the reason that 100th bicycle has fall? Okay. So if we are proving that one, that is induction. Now you have seen the dominoes. Now here is a picture of a dominoes, and the dominoes or a tiles, they are standing in some particular order. Now we are having to understand the basic principle of mathematical induction. Suppose a set of thin rectangular tiles are placed on one end. Now when the first tile is pushed in the indicated direction, all the tiles will fall. That is what I gave you example for a bicycle. Now here this tile has been pushed. When this tile has been pushed, slowly all the tiles are falling. Now we are having to be absolutely sure that all the tiles will fall, it is sufficient to know that. Now the condition which arises here, that if all the tiles are falling, then what the condition is. Now number one, the first tile falls, and the first tile means what? Not from that side, first tile means this one. When we are pushing this tile and it falls down, so this tile is responsible for only second tile to be fallen. Second tile is responsible for the third tile, like this it goes on. So the first tile falls, and in the event that any tile falls, its successor necessary falls. So this is the condition, this is the condition they have given to us. In the event that any tile falls, its successor necessary falls. That is the, this is what? This is the underlying principle of mathematical induction. Now this was a very simple example, again just giving you a brief thing, that according to going for the second condition, number one is this tile should fall, number two is if this is falling, then this should also be falling, this is falling, this should also be falling. So that is what a principle of mathematical induction. We are going step by step by step. Now let me give you one more example.